In this video, I'll detail how to turn off iPhone keyboard sound. So if your iPhone keyboard sound vibrates or you feel the haptics each time you're typing on your iPhone, then you want to disable this. Then this video is going to walk you through step by step. With the iPhone keyboard sound disabled or turned off, you will be able to use your iPhone in silent mode. Even when there are hundreds or tens of people in the room, your iPhone keyboard sound will be muted and you'll be able to type silently. So if you're done of this, if you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do, when you want to turn off your iPhone keyboard sound, is go to your iPhone settings. On settings page, scroll down and click on sound and haptics. Now once you tap that, scroll down, you should see keyboard feedback, click on that. Then here there is sound and there is haptics. To turn off the keyboard sound, just disable this. Then go ahead and start typing. You discover that this deep pause sound is no longer haptic. So that's will disable the keyboard sound. And if you want to disable your haptics so that you no longer feel vibration when you are typing on your iPhone keyboard, just go ahead and turn off haptics under keyboard feedback. So that is basically how to turn off keyboard sound on iPhone. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.